Pros and cons of living in Savannah reveal a hidden southern paradise that might completely change your life. Before we dive into the data, I will tease a massive financial bonus and a hidden warning you must know. When evaluating the pros and cons of living in Savannah, the exceptional quality of life stands out first. The overall happiness index is lifted by incredible historic charm and deeply welcoming local communities. Walking through gorgeous, historic neighborhoods like Ardsley Park makes you feel connected to the culture. I noticed that the local people treat strangers like old friends, which creates a very safe community vibe. When you actually look at the raw data, it really makes you stop and re-evaluate typical coastal living. The cost of living here is roughly 9% lower than the average baseline across the United States. Let us do a quick real-world walkthrough of the current housing and real estate market to see the math. A typical home here costs around $370,000, which is incredibly rare. This means your housing expenses are nearly 27% lower than what you pay in other cities. Excellent growth opportunities and robust future growth are anchored by the booming local shipping port. The job market is supported by expanding manufacturing employers and top-tier healthcare systems. Residents get exceptional medical peace of mind through networks like St. Joseph and Candler hospitals. For lifestyle and entertainment, the thriving local food scene and historic squares are unmatched. My favorite weekend routine was taking the easy 20-minute drive straight to Tybee Island beaches. To keep this balanced, we must address the easy cons, starting with the local weather and climate. While winters are blissfully mild and without snow, the intense summer humidity will drive up utility bills. Looking back at the seasonal weather realities, the climate requires a minor adjustment for some people. Regarding transportation and traffic, the downtown is very easy to walk, but suburbs require a car. Local education gets a massive boost of creative energy from the Savannah College of Art and Design. When considering the safety and crime rate, simply do standard neighborhood research before buying a home. First, you should plan an extended visit during the autumn to experience the local lifestyle firsthand. Second, map out your daily commute to ensure you choose the right community for your personal needs. Third, explore rental options in the creative Starland District to test the waters before relocating.